Hello and welcome. You are watching It's Tomorrow News and I am Hera Talati. Here's the latest weather updates for United States weather. Blizzard hits Midwest as wildfires and tornadoes threaten central United States. A strong storm system impacted millions in the United States on Wednesday. The Midwest and Great Plains faced blizzard conditions while other states were at risk of high winds and wildfires. Around 72 million people were under the wind warnings, with the gust reaching over 45 miles per hour. National Weather Service meteorologists explained that the cold air from the north and warm air from the south create these powerful storms at this time of the year. And this is the third storm in a few weeks to bring high winds across the much of the United States. Over the weekend, 42 people died when the storms brought tornadoes, dust storms and wildfires, causing major damage. Hundreds of the homes and businesses were destroyed across the 8 states in the South and Midwest. From southwestern Kansas to central Wisconsin, snow could range from 2 inches to 12 inches. With strong winds, forecasters warned to whiteout conditions, and in Kansas, over 250 miles of the Interstate 70 were closed temporarily due to the storm. By Wednesday night, most of the roads have been reopened, and the Kansas Department of Transportation has closed roads last week due to the high winds that caused deadly pileup of 71 cars, killing 8 people. On Wednesday, blizzard conditions caused nearly zero visibility in south-central Nebraska. The Nebraska State Patrol urged people to stay off the roads, and over 160 miles of I-80 were closed and nearly 70 miles of I-29 had road closures too. The snow fell at the rate of more than an inch per hour along the Iowa-Illinois border. Wind gusts reached 30 miles per hour, causing power outages. Around 140,000 people in Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee and Indiana lost power. The storm came after a warm spring like Tuesday, with the temperatures above 70 degrees Fahrenheit in some areas. And that's all for now. Please stay safe and follow official channels for updates on this ongoing situation.